Have you ever locked yourself out of your Apple Watch due to too many incorrect passcode attempts? Don't worry, it's an easy fix. In this tech tip, we'll walk you through the steps to reset your Apple Watch so you can get back to tracking your health and receiving notifications in no time. Why did my Apple Watch lock after too many passcode attempts? The Apple Watch allows 5 passcode attempts before locking. If you try to enter an incorrect passcode too many times, you'll be locked out of your Apple Watch. The security feature protects the watch's data from unauthorized access. How to reset Apple Watch after too many passcode attempts. To reset your Apple Watch, follow these steps. 1. Place your Apple Watch on its charger. 2. Press and hold the side button until you see the sliders appear on the screen. 3. Press and hold the digital crown until you see Erase all content and settings. 4. Tap Reset. 5. Select Reset a second time to confirm. Alternatively, you can reset your Apple Watch from your paired iPhone. With your iPhone, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. 2. Select the My Watch tab. 3. Tap General. 4. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Reset. 5. Select Erase Apple Watch content and settings. 6. Tap Erase Apple Watch content and settings again to confirm. What happens to my data? If the Erase Data feature is turned on, all your Apple Watch data will be automatically erased after 10 failed passcode attempts. However, if you reset your Apple Watch and set it up again, you can restore your data from a backup. Preventing accidental resets. To avoid accidental resets, write down your passcode in a safe place as a backup. You can also set up a backup of your Apple Watch data on your paired iPhone. By following these steps, you can easily reset your Apple Watch and get back to using it quickly. And remember to keep your passcode safe and secure to avoid future issues.